There's such a huge range of stiff knee patients. So we have a lot of patients who are after a total knee replacement. They develop this arthrofibrosis post-op, and we can see them from as little as 4 or 6 weeks post-op, really up to 2 or 3 years post-op. And they have real challenges with their mobility. Bit of a stretch. I'm just trying to stretch that knee out, just like that. Okay, well done. We'll relax it a minute. Down there, well done. And then we're going to do that again. All right. Things like just walking can be really uncomfortable. It can be very slow. Getting up and down stairs is always something that people struggle with. Often people struggle to do things that were meaningful to them before the op or before their knee became very stiff. So things like playing golf, things like going and cycling. People often describe having to park a long way from their destination so that they can open the door wide enough to get out. And that can be really challenging. Again, so big stretch, big stretch, big stretch. A little bit of good.